Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Chris.
And I'm Ola, and we have a beautiful echo behind us, well, in this building, and we're here at Upland Farms, Nature Conservancy.
Yes, it was donated by the previous owner to keep the land free and nature so that kids can come and people could come and learn more about it and still have this place to enjoy the outdoors. And we're going to walk around and see what it has to offer.
FYI, if you're tall, don't forget to duck.
Let's get this. You really do have to duck. Duck goose. I think it's a little windy out there. Maybe I'll stay in here. Okay, so we just started the Daniel P. Davidson Trail, and yeah, that's a deep hole. I can see down at least a couple of feet. That probably didn't come out in the video, sorry, but it's pretty beautiful. Look at that. I mean, just the views today, just the way it looks, just the open space. Very nice. It's a great place to just enjoy a walk. A little bit. Ola's walking one way, her hair's walking another.
I don't know if you can hear the birds chirping in the background. We got one here. Oh. He's just sitting up there. Looks like a good place to go birding.
What?
Eastern redbat.
Patagonia Rancher. Somebody told us we need to go to Patagonia. You want to go to Patagonia?
Yes. Looks like we found a trail.
Yeah. It doesn't have a name though.
No, no name. It just says Trail Trail.
Oh look, more poison ivy.
Yay.
I could have widened up a little bit.
Yeah.
A lot of those vines.
These vines are crazy.
Not good for the tree, I'm assuming.
No. Look, you can like swing on it like Tarzan.
Tarzan to come swinging through. It's like a little maze in here. It's kind of fun. I'd say we could try to explore a little off trail or something like that, but you can't.
No, it's too thick, too brushy.
It has nothing to do with the brush. It has to do with all these little red leaf things that you see. Well, I don't know. Basically, there's poison ivy everywhere here. So, I mean, you could go off trail. I wouldn't recommend it. Makes exploring a little harder in the woods when this time of year comes. Ooh, Ola likes the flowers. My turn. I took a bad picture of the flowers. Look what the vines did to this tree. This tree branch. They pulled it right over. Sorry, it's a little bit hard to see there, but there. I'm gonna show you over here. Look at the size of this vine. How thick? That's gotta be.
Took my hand.
Yeah, it's gotta be what, 4 inches diameter? Look at it, it just crawls up these trees. Man, it's horrible.
Looks like we're making it back to another opening. Hopefully this takes us to where we gotta go. I think we can go right.
Okay.
It's gonna be hard to see, but there's a little bunny over there. We're downwind, so that helps. Look how cute he is.
It's a baby. What is nose?
Oh.
Yeah, he's trying to smell, right? But he can't smell it.
Hi. He's got little short ears.
It's a baby.
I'm gonna go this way.
He's gonna stick in.
There he goes. Bye bye.
Oh, gone.
Gone.
I wonder what they plant here. It's a lot of rocks, so it's gotta be something, I guess, that can grow and survive in rocks. I'm not sure what crops those are.
There's a couple of greenhouses over there. I don't know if we can go to it.
I don't know if you'll have to go in, but we can check it out.
All right, so this actually used to be a dairy farm, and they still have remnants of the old silo here. Pretty cool. Here's another view of it.
Can we climb it?
There are stairs, but I don't think we can climb it. And if you have an electric vehicle, you can charge it right here.
All right, everyone, we're going to end the walk here. It was a quaint little walk, but it was fun. It was still cute. We got to see some birds, some early flowers, some other wildlife, the lovely flora, mostly poison ivy.
Probably later on in the season, as the weather warms up, there's probably more wildflowers here, which would be more interesting to look at. And yeah, so don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let us know some new places that maybe we can check out. And
don't forget to share it. Very important. Don't forget to share. It helps us so much. It's free to you. And we always appreciate it. So thank you so much for the support. And we're going to end this with the weather vane behind us.